Hi guys, welcome to you all a beautiful morning of 11th December 2022. As you can see guys, it's been foggy since morning. It's 11 o'clock when the sun rises and this is happening for the last 2 to 3 days. You know guys, to keep ourselves warm and to get some heat, we are lighting fire since 3 days. Okay friends, you people are my YouTube family members and I would like to show you something awesome. So, any guess? Okay, let me tell you. I would like to show you how many rose flowers have bloomed today in my garden. So, do you want to see it? If yes, then come with me. So, guys, let's have a tour to my garden. Except rose, guys, I want to show you some more flowers also. So, let's see what flowers and how many flowers have bloomed today in my garden. Friends, I am not going to tell you any flowers name because all these are common flowers and winter flowers. So you will recognize them very easily. So no need to tell me or speak me the name of the flowers. So guys, just enjoy the video. So guys, you have watched the video, and what is your opinion about that? If you liked the video, then please subscribe to the channel, hit the like, and don't forget to press the bell icon and share the link also. And if you are watching on Facebook or Autoplay, then please follow me and like me at there also. So guys, let me go and come again with a new video for you. Until then, bye bye.